You know what I want to do? Grow tomatoes. Tomatoes!
We're growing tea.
Hey y'all, it's tea time
with CJ and Corey. We about to grow some tea.
Girl, we a group. Okay guys, yep, it's tea time. And we are gonna start a tea garden. But your girl, me, doesn't really have a green thumb. So this is one of the gifts that hubby got me this month for my birthday. Can you guys see it? It's the Aero Garden. It's an in-home garden system. The plants grow in water. If you guys have ever seen in our chill room, like all my little plants and clippings are in water because it's better for you, girl. So we're gonna try this out. And this did come with, I think some herbs and vegetables, but I told him I wanted to start a tea garden and he got me this fresh tea kit. All right, we're gonna take out everything in the box. Let's get started. Okay, this came with some gourmet herbs.
Wait, listen.
I hope you guys can see that. Oh, can you see that?
It came with the little water thing.
Okay, that's like the base, I think. Okay, I think this is like the base.
Hold up, I think I just found something else.
You found something else?
Yeah, right.
At the top. Okay, instructions. Girl, don't be breaking it up, I just got it.
Yeah, no, girl, but I want to break it.
Girl, what's this? Do we gotta register it or something? Congratulations on setting up your new Aero Garden. Thank you, Aero. Oh, girl, is that a recipe? Ooh, new recipe. Grow deck, and this is the base. Okay. Oh, I see like the lights at the top. See it? Okay.
Oh, it's light?
Girl, I'm not gonna be like daddy. I'm gonna actually read the instructions. Finally. Okay, I'm gonna put this little base on here.
Okay, and where's the water?
Probably in our sink. Okay, this is actually really simple. Okay, we got that, boom, boom, boom. Okay, what does it say next? Add water to fill here. Oh, where's the fill here? Oh, it's not road. That's supposed to come off. Okay.
Pull over it?
Yeah, keep going. I'm gonna tell you when to stop. Okay, wait, stop. Let me see if it get a little bit more. It says fill to here. Boom, 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 boom. Stop! Seed pot instructions. Okay, here go what's in this kit. You guys see that? Look what's that. That's what's in there. Shaky, 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 shaky. Okay, it says shake the bottle, add plant food directly into water bowl. The cap in the bottle holds 4 milliliters of plant. Oh, okay. So here, we're gonna put 4 milliliters. Okay, pour that plant food in. Pour it in, there we go. So this is a chamomile. Sprout
chamomile?
Chamomile sprouts in 10 to 14 days. Okay, so put that in there.
Oh, lavender!
Sprouts in 8 to 21 days, so put her in there. Okay, and one more, I think it's 3 kinds in here. And mint. Mint sprouts in 6 to 10 days. Ooh,
No, can I choose one?
she's just covering them with these little domes. Oh my gosh, and is that all we gotta do? Let me read, hold on. Okay guys, this looks like it was really simple, right Corey?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna be checking in with y'all.
We
So
already done.
I know, but I mean, well, nothing grew yet, but it says it's gonna be like, the max is 21 days here with the lavender. We should be able to see something about 6 to 10 days. We about to grow some tea. Peace out, and we'll be back to let y'all know how our garden is growing.